Hey guys, this is Annie, and today I'm here with an unboxing and review of this Star Wars spider tank. This is just too awesome. If you have any kids who are Spider-Man fans or spider fans in general, this is the gift for them for sure. My 9-year-old is definitely going to go insane when he sees this. All the Lego products that I've gotten so far have been high quality. This particular Lego project is rated for kids aged 9 and up. Their ratings are usually appropriate, and it comes with 526 Lego pieces. So this is going to be a bigger project, and they're going to love it. I'm going to open it on up. Okay, inside we have a nice booklet, an instruction manual. It comes in full color, which I always appreciate, and the instructions are so easy to follow, step by step with illustrations of all the parts. It also includes an index in the back that shows all the pieces that are included. So this is a really good reference while you're building and making sure that you're using the right parts. Here we have each bag is numbered, and we have 4 in total. It's very nice and simple and organized. It's easy to know where to start. Personally, for me, when I started getting these Legos for my kids, I was looking for something to help encourage them to learn more organization skills. And I just think this is the perfect solution, because really nicely illustrated instructions that anyone can follow, even if they don't know how to read. I wanted my kids to practice following instructions in a specific order. So at first, when we started these, it was very challenging, but they're doing amazing now, and I really appreciate that. So highly recommend, a great product. I'm a big Star Wars fan and Lego fan. This would be a great gift for any kid or even a collector. I imagine even adults would really appreciate something like this, especially if they're fans of Star Wars.